All right, well, worries of a new surge of the coronavirus as more Americans are traveling again. The TSA says that on Friday alone, nearly 1.5 million travelers passed through U.S. airports. So quite a few as folks try to get back to their regular lives, and scenes like this don't actually ease those concerns. People on spring break gathered in the middle of the street in Miami, making it impossible to social distance.
What we're going to see is people get infected, pick up the infection from each other, and then spread it across the country and possibly around the world.
Well, Cleo Green with us in the newsroom this morning. And Cleo, we have new information overnight about a potential new vaccine that was actually causing a lot of concern just last week overseas.
Yeah, exactly. AstraZeneca now releasing new information, and the headlines may read like this morning, that new data finds that the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine is effective for all ages, especially older people. Also finding out that the vaccine found to be 79% effective in these U.S. trials and did not have an increased risk for blood clots. I also want to mention that this new data also found that it's 100% effective in stopping severe disease and hospitalization, which is a big deal. All right, now, like you said, Kara, just last week, more than a dozen countries, mostly in Europe, temporarily suspended their use of the AstraZeneca shot after reports that it was linked to blood clots. Well, AstraZeneca said an independent data safety monitoring board identified no safety concerns related to the shot, in addition to a specific review of blood clots. The U.S. trials also identified no increased risk of serious blood clotting as well. Now, the company hopes that they can get emergency use authorization from the FDA. We know that it has to go through a series of trials for this to happen, and this could actually happen by mid-April, late April. So this could be yet another vaccine that's available to us here in the States. So we'll see what happens. By the way, we do have all this information on our website at WFAA.com. I'll send it back to you.
And just for an update for you this morning, Texas is slated to get 900,000 first doses of the vaccine this week. Here's the breakdown for our 4 big counties in the area. Dallas should receive a little more than 59,000 doses. Tarrant County just over 48,000. Collin about 33,000, and Denton will get about 6,000 vaccine doses. Mark.
Okay, Kara, appreciate that update. It is